Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system for the 2011 through 2021 Dodge Charger with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the baseline towers set of 4, the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in black or silver, and 2 sets of 2 of the baseline pad and clip set. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track that holds the tower to the bar. Alongside that track are measurement numbers which guide you to the correct positioning of the tower on the bar for that vehicle. Now, the tower itself has several adjustments in order to get a perfect fit to the vehicle. Let's go ahead and take off this outer cover and we can go over some of those adjustments of the tower. So first, let's open up the internal hatch, which will expose the fastener which holds this tower to the bar. That fastener also allows for the pitch of the bar so that the bar can be angled and compensate for curvature in the roof line. Also on the underside is a toe adjustment for the pad and clip set assembly. And let's go ahead and demonstrate that. I'll go ahead and loosen this fastener. And with that loose, it allows for the 3 toe adjustments. And then once it's set, you can go ahead and use this tool, which has a feature where it clicks, and that indicates that it's reached the correct tightness. Okay, we can go ahead and close that hatch now to cover that for security. And then on the inside of the tower here, we have another adjustment. When this adjustment is tightened or loosened, it'll draw in or out this clip against the door frame. Here we have a hatch. Underneath that hatch, we have the final fastener, and that will actually pull the clip inward towards the door frame. The clip itself, it's metal construction with a powder coat black finish. There is a rubber pad on the inside which will grip and protect the finish of the door frame. And then the pivoting pad is contoured to match the shape of the roof where it rests. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the cover back into place. That just hinges at the bottom and snaps at the top. Here you'll notice we have a plastic plug, and that plastic plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System. These lock cores with keys can be purchased in match sets so that you can have all 4 of your towers key matched, as well as other accessories and carriers that you may use with your roof rack system. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.